Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 4 best non-MetaTrader Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 4 on our list, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a leading global brokerage firm that provides a comprehensive range of financial services to individuals and institutional investors. Known for its advanced trading technology, the firm offers access to a wide array of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and commodities, across more than 150 markets worldwide. The platform also supports cryptocurrency trading through select providers. With competitive pricing and advanced trading tools, Interactive Brokers enables investors to trade a wide variety of assets efficiently and strategically. Interactive Brokers provides a suite of powerful trading platforms designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders. Their flagship Trader Workstation offers advanced charting, market analysis tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities. The Interactive Brokers client portal provides a user-friendly web-based platform for managing accounts and executing trades. For traders on the go, their mobile app delivers a seamless trading experience on smartphones and tablets. Additionally, the Interactive Brokers APIs allow for custom trading solutions and automated strategies. Interactive Brokers offers a variety of trading account types, tailored to the needs of individual traders, investors, and institutions. Individual and joint accounts are available for retail traders, while institutional accounts cater to hedge funds, financial advisors, and proprietary trading firms. The platform also provides specialized accounts, including retirement accounts, trust accounts, and accounts for small businesses. With flexible funding options and competitive pricing, Interactive Brokers ensures that clients can choose the account that best suits their trading and investment goals. Interactive Brokers offers a wide range of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. The Interactive Brokers campus provides webinars, courses, and trading guides covering various financial topics. The Traders Academy offers structured lessons on trading strategies, market analysis, and platform tutorials. Additionally, clients can access market commentary, research reports, and real-time news updates. With these comprehensive learning tools, Interactive Brokers supports traders at all levels of experience in making informed investment decisions. At number 3 on our list is eToro. eToro, a prominent online trading platform, has established itself as a leading player in the financial technology industry. With a user-friendly interface and innovative features, eToro has become a go-to platform for individuals seeking to engage in various financial markets, offering a unique blend of social trading and investment opportunities. eToro allows users to connect with a global community of traders, share insights, and replicate the strategies of successful investors. eToro offers a diverse array of trading instruments across various financial markets, providing users with a comprehensive platform to explore and invest. Traders on eToro can access a wide range of assets, including forex, stocks, indices, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. eToro empowers traders to explore and invest in different asset classes, fostering a comprehensive and accessible trading experience. eToro's trading platform stands out as a cutting-edge and user-friendly interface that caters to both novice and experienced traders. With a commitment to simplicity, the platform provides an intuitive environment for users to engage in various financial markets seamlessly. eToro's platform offers a unique social trading feature, enabling users to connect with a global community of investors and even replicate the trading strategies of successful peers. Whether trading stocks, commodities, or other assets, eToro's platform combines accessibility with advanced features to enhance the overall trading experience. The broker offers a range of trading account types that are designed to cater to diverse investor preferences and trading styles. Whether one is a seasoned trader or a beginner, eToro provides options to suit individual needs. These accounts include the personal account, the professional account, their corporate account, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. eToro also offers an innovative feature called the Copy Trader, allowing users to automatically replicate the trades of successful investors. As a well-established online trading platform, the broker understands the importance of empowering traders with knowledge, and to that end, it offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources through the eToro Trading Academy. Tailored for traders of all levels, the eToro Academy serves as a valuable learning hub, providing a wealth of educational materials, tutorials, and articles. Through the eToro Academy, traders can enhance their knowledge, refine their strategies, and stay informed about market developments. Overall, eToro stands as a leading force in the world of online trading, offering a user-friendly platform, diverse trading instruments, and a wealth of educational resources. The broker has successfully created a space where traders of all levels can thrive, whether one is interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or social trading. eToro offers a comprehensive and dynamic trading environment. Coming in at number 2, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a global investment bank specializing in online trading and investment services. Founded in 1992 and headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark, it offers a comprehensive range of financial products, including Forex, stocks, bonds, options, futures, and ETFs. With access to over 70,000 instruments, Saxo Bank provides competitive pricing, deep liquidity, and advanced trading tools to suit both retail and institutional traders. Its comprehensive product offering enables investors to diversify their portfolios and execute trades efficiently on world-class trading platforms. Saxo Bank provides powerful and intuitive trading platforms designed for traders and investors of all levels. Its flagship platforms, Saxo Trader Go and Saxo Trader Pro, offer seamless access to global markets with advanced charting tools, risk management features, and in-depth market analysis. Saxo Trader Go is a user-friendly web-based platform ideal for traders who need flexibility, while Saxo Trader Pro is a professional-grade platform with customized workspaces and advanced trading functionalities. Both platforms deliver a high-performance trading experience across desktop, web, and mobile devices, ensuring efficiency and precision for all users. Saxo Bank offers a variety of trading account types to suit different investment needs and trading styles, which include the Saxo, Joint, Corporate, Professional, ISA, SIPP, Trust, and Demo account types, with 3 tiers: Classic, Platinum, and VIP. The Classic account is designed for casual traders, providing access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads. The Platinum account caters to more active traders, offering enhanced support and additional benefits such as lower costs and higher leverage. For professional traders, the VIP account provides premium services including personalized support, exclusive tools, and tailored pricing. Each account type is designed to offer flexibility, advanced features, and optimal conditions for traders at every level. The broker provides a wealth of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. Through the Saxo Academy, clients can access a wide range of learning materials, including video tutorials, webinars, in-depth articles, and expert insights. The platform covers essential topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and platform navigation. Whether beginners or experienced traders, Saxo Bank's educational resources empower users with the knowledge needed to make informed trading decisions and navigate global financial markets effectively. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 4 best non-MetaTrader Forex brokers, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is a well-established global trading broker founded in 2008, offering CFD and future trading to millions of traders worldwide. Listed on the London Stock Exchange and regulated in multiple jurisdictions, Plus 500 delivers a secure and transparent trading environment. The platform provides access to a wide range of markets, all within a clean, user-friendly interface. Traders benefit from zero commissions, competitive spreads, an unlimited free demo account, and 24/7 customer support. The broker offers access to a variety of CFDs across a wide range of asset classes, giving traders access to more than 70 Forex pairs, global indices, commodities, shares, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and options. Whether it's major currency pairs, popular stock markets, energy products, or emerging digital assets, the broker's diverse selection allows traders to explore multiple markets from a single user-friendly platform, all with competitive spreads and flexible leverage. Plus 500 offers a simple yet powerful proprietary trading platform accessible via WebTrader, desktop and mobile applications for iOS and Android. The platform delivers fast trade execution, real-time charts, over 100 technical indicators, customizable watch lists, and price alerts, all in an intuitive, easy-to-navigate design. With full functionality across devices and built-in risk management tools, their platform makes it easy for traders to access global markets anytime, anywhere. Plus 500 offers a range of account options to match different trading needs. Their demo account allows users to practice with virtual funds in a risk-free environment, while their standard retail account gives access to all instruments with competitive spreads, no commissions, and built-in risk management tools. Experienced traders who meet certain criteria can apply for a professional account, which offers higher leverage. Plus 500 also provides a swap-free Islamic account for traders requiring Sharia-compliant conditions. Their Trading Academy offers a comprehensive suite of free educational materials designed to support traders at all levels. Their platform features a variety of resources, including beginner-friendly guides, how-to video tutorials, informative articles, and a Plus 500 ebook. Additionally, the Academy provides FAQs and a regular updated news section to help traders stay informed about key global business and economic developments. Their comprehensive suite of news and market insights through their News and Market section offers daily updates on global financial events, economic indicators, and market trends, keeping traders informed about the factors influencing the markets. Additionally, their proprietary Plus Insights tool analyzes aggregated client sentiment data, revealing the percentage of traders holding long or short positions on various instruments. This feature helps users gauge market psychology and identify potential reversal points. Traders can access these insights directly within the trading platform, enhancing their decision-making process. And those are some of the top 4 best non-MetaTrader Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.